Laser engraving, Cincy carving, fine point blade cutting, artistic drawing, Beaver Lab Davcarve L1, 500 nm blue laser module, 1064 nm, fine point blade module, artistic drawing module, one machine with 6 working modules, 2000 square centimeters, large working area. Automatic focusing, 20W blue laser module, laser diode, more powerful and efficiency, 3mm wood cutting one pass, newbie friendly PC software, release your nature. Foldable fireproof enclosure, radius 99.9% smoke. The joy of hands-on creation. Second installation. 45-degree fine point blade. W infrared laser module, 10W blue laser module, 360-degree rotary extension set. Fine point blade module, real-time monitor through app. Create your own limited edition. Additional gameplay.